So we're going to open the Arduino software using this icon here, the turquoise circle with the infinity symbol inside of it and the plus and minus. And if you are working on your own machine, you'll want to download this from the Arduino website. Instructions to do so are on the Moodle page for this workshop. And so you should see something like this, a bit of default code. And if you want to know more about the structure of an Arduino program, I talk about that in another video. But for now, I just want us to be able to upload the code to our Arduino and make it blink. So I'm going to go into the File menu and then the Examples submenu, and then I'm going to go to Basics and I'm going to go to Blink. It's worth noticing all of these different examples which come built into the Arduino software. And when we open Blink, you can see that with these examples are tutorials on the Arduino website. And as you can see, it gives us information about building the circuit and also some information about the code. So that's a very useful thing. For now, again, we're just going to try and upload this. I'm not going to talk about the code, although in a subsequent video, I'm going to have us modify the code a little bit. And first thing I want us to do is go into this Tools menu. And I want us to first look at the board. We want to select the Arduino board that we are using. And most likely, if you have one of the standard Arduino kits, you have an Arduino Uno board. So just make sure that that's what's selected here. If you don't, there can be problems in communicating with the Arduino. And then we also want to select the port. And so for now, I'm actually going to select this Arduino Uno. You can see here there's this long name, and then after that, Arduino Uno. So select the Arduino Uno. And as you can see, when I look back in this port menu, there is a tick mark next to the Arduino Uno. So from here on out, we should be able to upload. And we do that using this right-facing arrow. And you should be able to click upload, and when you do so, the amber LEDs on the Arduino should blink quite quickly, and then what should be happening is your LED circuit should be blinking along with the amber light on your Arduino. And if you don't see your LED blinking in the circuit, but you do see the LED blinking on the Arduino board itself, that indicates that the code was uploaded successfully, but there's a problem with your circuit. So that's it for uploading to the Arduino. Just to show you as well, I'm gonna create a situation that causes an error, but it's worth knowing that this can happen at various points in using the Arduino, and it's worth knowing how to fix it. So now I'm trying to upload here, and it's definitely having issues. It should not take this long to upload. And eventually we will start to see these error messages, which are indicating that the Arduino can't receive the code. And here it's telling us to double check our connections and try again. This is often the way to fix this kind of error. And as you can see, at the bottom here, if you get an orange strip like this, this indicates some kind of error. Either it's an error in your code, or it is an error in uploading. And for now, all I'm going to do is actually plug and unplug the Arduino from the USB cable. And I'm gonna reselect my Arduino Uno and select it here in the ports menu and try and upload again. And that's it. So this happens from time to time when working with Arduino, and usually all you need to do is unplug the Arduino and reseat the cable. There are other problems that can occur sometimes with software that's installed, drivers and other issues which happen. Generally, they happen more with non-standard Arduino boards, and the Uno is fairly stable, so you're unlikely to run into this problem. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to modify this code a little bit and change the speed of the blink